What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best printers that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Canon PIXMA TS6420A is a versatile wireless all-in-one printer designed to cater to the needs of home and light-duty home office users. Its compact and stylish design ensures it seamlessly fits into any space. The printer boasts a 1.44-inch OLED display and LED status bar, providing an intuitive interface for easy navigation and real-time monitoring of the printing process. Equipped with dual paper feeds, front and rear, the Canon PIXMA TS6420A offers a maximum print speed of 6.8 pages per minute for color and 13.0 pages per minute for black and white. The Auto two-sided printing feature enhances efficiency by automatically printing on both sides of the paper. The printer supports wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi and USB, facilitating easy setup and compatibility with various devices. With a maximum resolution of 4800 by 1200 dpi for printing and 1200 by 2400 dpi for scanning, the Canon PIXMA TS6420A ensures high-quality output for both documents and photos. Its all-in-one functionality combines printing with a built-in flatbed scanner for scanning and copying tasks. The printer is well regarded for its good output quality, making it a suitable choice for home and light-duty home office use. Compatibility with mobile operating systems, including iOS, Android, Windows 10 Mobile, and Fire OS, enhances its usability. Additionally, the Canon PIXMA TS6420A comes with a 1-year warranty in the USA and a 2-year warranty in the UK, providing peace of mind for users. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 is a wireless all-in-one inkjet printer meticulously crafted for high-volume printing demands in home and small office settings. A standout feature of this printer is its innovative cartridge-free printing system, utilizing high-capacity, easy-to-fill supersized ink tanks. This approach provides users with up to 80% cost savings compared to standard cartridges. Powered by Precision Core heat-free technology, the ET5850 achieves impressive print shop quality output at remarkable speeds of up to 25 ISO ppm for both black and color prints. The printer's efficiency is further enhanced by its 500-sheet front tray paper capacity and a rear specialty paper feed, accommodating a maximum print size of 8.5 by 47.2 inches. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen ensures user-friendly navigation and control, complemented by wireless connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and Ethernet for seamless integration with various devices. Automatic duplex printing adds to its versatility, enabling convenient double-sided printing. Users appreciate the EcoTank Pro ET5850 for its high-quality printing, swift printing speeds, and notably low running costs. Compatibility with various mobile operating systems and a user-friendly touchscreen interface contribute to its appeal. The printer comes with a 1-year warranty from Epson in the USA, assuring users of its reliability. In summary, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 stands out as a reliable and efficient all-in-one inkjet printer tailored for high-volume printing in home and small office environments. The Brother MFC J1205W stands out as an entry-level all-in-one inkjet printer tailored for home and small office applications. Compact and sleek in design, it combines printing, copying, and scanning functionalities to meet diverse user needs. The printer offers wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi and USB, ensuring seamless setup and compatibility with a variety of devices. One of its standout features is the INKvestment tank system, which utilizes ink cartridges along with an internal ink tank. This innovative system enhances yield compared to printers relying solely on traditional ink cartridges. The MFC J1205W boasts high-quality printing for both black and color documents, achieving a maximum resolution of up to 1200 by 6000 dpi. With a mobile-friendly approach, the printer supports Apple AirPrint and Mopria print service, and it is compatible with Brother's Mobile Connect app. Its compact design makes it suitable for small spaces, complemented by a 150-sheet paper tray. Users appreciate the MFC J1205W for its high-quality printing and reasonable running costs. It is compatible with various mobile operating systems, including iOS, Android, and Windows. The printer comes with a 1-year warranty from Brother in the USA. While it excels in many aspects, it lacks a duplexer for automatic two-sided prints and copies. Additionally, it does not feature an automatic document feeder for efficient copying and scanning of multi-page documents. Despite these limitations, the Brother MFC J1205W is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable entry-level all-in-one inkjet printer with high-quality printing and a compact design. The Brother MFC J4335DW is an all-in-one inkjet printer tailored for the needs of home and small office users, offering versatile functionality that includes printing, scanning, copying, and faxing. Its compact design makes it an ideal fit for small spaces. Equipped with wireless connectivity options such as Wi-Fi and USB, the MFC J4335DW ensures easy setup and compatibility with a variety of devices. High-quality printing is a hallmark of this printer, producing both black and color documents with a maximum resolution of up to 1200 by 1600 dpi. The INKvestment tank system, a combination of ink cartridges and an internal ink tank, enhances yield, providing better efficiency compared to traditional ink cartridge systems. For users on the go, the printer supports mobile printing through Brother's Mobile Connect app, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria print service. Automatic duplex printing further contributes to convenience by enabling double-sided printing. The 150-sheet paper tray accommodates letter or legal size paper, and a bypass tray allows for special purpose paper. Users appreciate the MFC J4335DW for its low running costs, high-quality printing, and fast printing speeds. Compatible with various mobile operating systems, including iOS, Android, and Windows, it offers flexibility for users with different devices. The printer is backed by a 1-year warranty from Brother in the USA. While lacking an automatic document feeder for multi-page copying and scanning, the Brother MFC J4335DW remains a solid choice for those seeking an efficient, cost-effective, and compact all-in-one inkjet printer for home and small office use. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E is a versatile all-in-one inkjet printer designed to meet the needs of home and small office users, combining printing, scanning, copying, and faxing functionalities. Its compact design allows it to easily fit into small spaces. Wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and USB, facilitate seamless setup and compatibility with various devices. The printer excels in producing high-quality black and color documents, boasting a maximum resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi. The ink system, incorporating high-capacity ink cartridges and an internal ink tank, enhances efficiency and yields better results compared to traditional ink cartridge setups. Mobile printing is made easy with support for the HP Smart App, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria print service. The convenience of automatic duplex printing allows for efficient double-sided printing. A 250-sheet paper tray, adjustable for letter or legal size paper, along with a bypass tray for special purpose paper, adds to the printer's versatility. The HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E earns praise for its fast printing speeds, high-quality output, and cost-effective operation. Compatibility with various mobile operating systems, including iOS, Android, and Windows, enhances its user-friendly features. The printer comes with a 2-year warranty from HP in the USA and includes a bonus 6 months of instant ink through HP Plus. However, some users have reported issues with the ink system and hardware failures. Despite these concerns, the HP OfficeJet Pro 9015E stands out as a reliable all-in-one inkjet printer for home and small office use, offering high-quality printing, cost efficiency, and a compact design.